If you are looking to find the best streaming cameras but don't know where to start, recently live streaming sites like YouTube, Twitch and TikTok are becoming more and more popular. If you happen to be a YouTuber, then you know cameras are essential. The better the picture, the higher the followers. With that in mind, here are our top picks for the best cameras for Twitch live streaming. Number 10. GoPro Hero 8. GoPro has long been synonymous with great action cameras, and this one is no exception. It comes with plenty of accessories, extra batteries, a touch screen and 4K capacity. It is also waterproof, shockproof when inside the case and compressible with most memory cards. It also compact, which is what makes a GoPro one of the best cameras for live streaming sports. Number 9. Canon XA11 Professional Camcorder. We see the name Canon and we know we are looking at the best cameras for live streaming. Their whole range is outstanding. The XA11 is what the pros use in film and TV studios. At least a slightly smaller version of this without the balance axis. Some of the features are high-end, Full HD with 920 x 1080p, low light performance and Pro Images sensors in HD CMOS. It doesn't have everything, but it comes pretty close. Number 8. Panasonic HC-V770 HD Camcorder. Another V-Class as the best camcorder for live streaming is the HC-V770. We love the HC because it comes with everything you need to get started, including a viewfinder and a cheaper price tag than its predecessor. It's very lightweight, provides excellent picture quality and has a 20x zoom function. Not bad, just not as impressive as the R800. Number 7. Canon R800 Camcorder. The best camcorder for live streaming, the R800 comes with tons of cool features. It's compact, handheld, and fits into a standard tripod. Exciting new features include highlight priority mode with backlight correction to help you get the best shots you can, and improved slow and fast recording options that let you experiment with different ways to record. Thanks to its powerful zoom, you can record moments near, far, and in between. It has decent sound, excellent picture quality, and it's easy to control. What more do you want from your streaming tech? Number 6. Logitech Brio Ultra HD Webcam. Logitech Brio sets up to Logitech's most technologically advanced webcam. Brio delivers spectacular HD video up to 4K and advanced right light, tree light correction for pro quality video calls, streaming and recording. If your video app recognizes a webcam, you can use it with Brio. It's certified compatible with Skype for Business, Windows Hello, Cisco Jabber, cloud services like BlueJeans and Zoom, and more. Logitech is bringing Ultra HD video quality to their famous webcam line with the brand new Brio. Equipped with high-tech optics and lenses to help deliver razor-sharp images, the Brio offers professional-level visuals in one small, easy-to-understand package. Number 5. Microsoft LiveCam Studio. Enjoy a superior HD video quality with the LiveCam Studio, which includes a 1080p HD sensor. But great video is about more than HD. Keep your subject crisp and autofocus from 4 inches to infinity. Shoot with great accuracy in wide angle with the LiveCam Precision Glass Element lens. And to make filming ever easier, LiveCam features True Color technology, which means your video remains bright and colorful in virtually all light conditions, while ClearFrame technology provides smooth, detailed footage. Use the built-in high-fidelity microphone to bring it all together, the vivid sights, colors, and sounds of real life. Number 4. Razer Q Streaming Webcam. Your third option for the best cameras for live streaming Twitch is the Razer Q. This is a webcam that can stream and record in either 1080p with 30 fps or 720p with 60 fps. Either is powerful. However, while this is a great camera, the built-in ring light is what sells it. If you have ever recorded yourself, you know that light makes a big difference. Female gender, this is the video camera you need. Number 3. Logitech C920S HD Pro. Another candidate for the best camcorder for live streaming from Logitech is the C920S. It does live streaming and recording at the same time, but it isn't special geared towards gaming. It does come with Full HD 1080p, a privacy shutter that allows you compatibility with Skype, Mac and Google Hangouts. It has a mic, high definition and everything easy you need to get started. One of the best cameras for streaming Twitch without doubt. Number 2. Logitech C922 Pro Stream Webcam. Arguably the best camera for streaming Twitch is the Logitech C922. It comes with technology that allows you to fill in the blank screen your viewers usually get with the footage of you while you play. It has an omnidirectional camera letting you shoot two things at once. It comes with dual microphones, so you always get the best sound quality. Connect with superior clarity every time you go live on channels like Twitch and YouTube. Broadcast your gameplay in 1080p with reliable no-drop audio. Autofocus, 78 degrees field of view and free 6-month premium XSplit license. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix G7 mirrorless camera. This product is one of the best cameras for Twitch live streaming because of how quick it is. Everything about this camera has been geared towards high-resolution imaging. It gives an artifact-free performance in 4K video recording, combined with a high-speed internet connection capable of connecting across a range of network types. It's fast, reliable, can be used to record everything from the film footage to the sound. With a 3.5mm mic, it's good enough to do ASMR, if that's your game. That's all from the best cameras for live streaming Twitch. If you wanted to buy any one or need more information, go to the description and click the link. See you on our next video. Goodbye.